Meaning of Federal Express.
Federal Express.
Federal Express.
Federal Express.
Federal Express. Federal Express, commonly known as FedEx, is a multinational courier delivery services company. The company was founded in 1971 by Frederick W. Smith, and it has since grown to become one of the world's largest express transportation companies. The name Federal Express reflects the company's original business model, which involved using airplanes to transport packages overnight from one city to another. Today, FedEx provides a range of services including express delivery, ground shipping, freight transportation, and e-commerce solutions. The name Federal Express emphasizes the company's commitment to speed, reliability, and efficiency in transporting packages and documents around the globe.